Hi, my name is Nate, and I would like to present you Cairn platform, which is designed to improve quality of research work, enhance funding efficiency, and democratize research in the field of AI technology. AI research faces challenges like misaligned incentives, poor reproducibility of research artifacts, limited access, and inefficient funding, which slow progress and reduce societal impact. Collectively, these challenges create a research ecosystem where meaningful, reusable, and socially beneficial work is hard to surface, fund, and scale, ultimately limiting the potential of AI research to serve broader public good. So, how does Cairn platform aims to solve these problems? The Cairn platform rewards researchers retroactively based on the reproducibility of their work and real-world impact, promoting long-term utility and transparency. The decentralized community verifies reproducibility claims, while all research artifacts are securely stored on Filecoin for verifiability and public access. So, why would researchers participate? They would participate to receive funding and to publish their work in journals and conferences that require third party reproduction. Why would evaluators participate? They gain compensation, and if they are researchers, they have to reproduce baseline approaches anyway. Why would funders provide funds? Funders provide funds to promote quality and development in the research field. Similar reasons can be applied here as why AI infrastructure providers are funding Hugging Face. And finally, why do we need Filecoin? We need Filecoin to establish verifiable and trusted storage of artifacts necessary for working decentralized incentive mechanisms. Now, let's take a look at the demo of our MVP. Social login is enabled because AI researchers are not crypto native and are not familiar with Web3 wallets. Furthermore, integration with Hugging Face was implemented as it is the primary platform where the AI community uploads open source research artifacts. A researcher can create a project on our platform by connecting to an Hugging Face repo and archive papers, along with providing additional details. In MVP version, data storage and Filecoin is sponsored by our team, so the UI does not yet enable the option to store research artifacts directly on Filecoin when project is created. Currently, we store in our local database project data that is later used for production. In the early stage, proof of reproducibility or POR generation will be done by our team. Helper scripts are already implemented and will be used in the future by other evaluators in Cairn DAO. As you can see in the current version, POR represents use resources and logs generated during AI model execution. The POR structure will be better defined in the later stages as it depends on the specifics of different research artifacts. Once POR is generated locally, we store project artifacts and POR on Filecoin for public access. Once data is stored on Filecoin, it can be accessed through the platform's UI. Anyone can access the data, even anonymous users. Projects that are reproduced and stored on Filecoin can apply to retroactive funding rounds. In the MVP version, the funding round process is quite restricted and guided, but in the future, tools such as hypercerts will be used to provide diverse range of funding mechanisms. And that's all from my side. Thank you.